Welcome back for English once again. So, children, we have already started with this grammar. Last time we have done something, anything, nothing worksheet. Today we are these words are not different. Okay, today we are going to do with anyone, someone, no one. These words are not different, but how they are used in a sentence, it is very very important. Okay, now someone someone is used someone, nobody, and no one is used for the person, right? Something, nothing, anything, they are used for the things, right? They are all used for the nouns only, but there are different categories of nouns where we use these words for, like something, nothing, that is thing already written there, thing, it is used for the things. Someone, no one, anyone, one, that means there is some person. Okay, now let us solve the worksheet. It will be very much clear to you all. There is dash in the chair. You have to fill these blanks with anyone, someone, or no one. There is someone in the chair. Okay, there is dash near the bicycle. There is no one near the bicycle. Can you see anyone standing there? No. Is there dash in the room? Is there anyone in the room? You cannot ask someone. Why? Because you are not seeing anyone there. So you will ask the question with anyone only, right? Now, question number 2. Look at the picture and complete the passage given below using anyone, no one, or someone. There is dash in the picture. There is someone in the picture. It is a baby. Is there anyone with the baby? No, there is no one with her. See how I am using the words. This is how it should be used. Now, write questions. Now here we have to frame questions. Okay. Write questions and answers about the picture using the words given. Someone, someone. Is there someone behind the tree? Question mark. Now what will be the answer? You have to again use someone only in the answer. Yes, there is someone behind the tree. Full stop. Now second one. You have to use anyone and no one. Is there anyone in the bus? Question mark. No, there is no one in the bus. Now the last question, you have to use the words anyone and someone, right? Is there anyone? It can be in the bed or on the bed. In the bed. Yes, there is someone in the bed. Full stop. Now draw as directed. Now here you have to draw someone near the car or something on the table. Okay, that you have to do. This I am not going to do it for you, children. So I hope you all have understood the worksheet, how to use these words. Okay, complete the worksheet, children. Thank you, children.